initially I would struggle a lot with my emotions and would just say whatever is coming to my mind without thinking anything. It was just like, one track, very reaction oriented. I'm just answering that particular question. And there's no thought process behind why is that question even coming forth? Because see, as an employee, when I'm
Mm.
reporting in a sitting in a conversation with a manager, when I'm saying a statement, there are 10 thoughts that I have thought before even saying that statement out. That
Mm.
switch in my understanding, where I'm having those conversations with my one-on-one, really changed that for me, and that I was able to do because of the training. Because I was very reactive, I would just answer the question that is asked. I'm not looking at why is that person even asking that question. Try to find what is leading to this whole situation in the first place. That led to a lot of automatic de-escalation, like not to just answer the question, to understand where you're coming from, like trying to put myself in their shoes and see what they are trying to see or what they are struggling with. They're struggling with something, that is why they have come to me. Usually
Right.
people don't go to their manager to say anything. Everything is going well. If someone is coming to you, it has taken a lot for them to even come up and have that
Yeah,
conversation.
and that is also your brand. That is the trust which you have created with them,
Yep.
that they are
Yep.
able to come and tell. Yeah.
So I was able to do that. I was able to effectively lead, and the switch, even the promotion, Roshan, I don't think would have happened without the coaching, because now I am seen as a thought leader in the company. Even when there are any meetings or any people, managers meetings, they want me to talk. They want me to share my experiences. They can see that I anticipate problems way before they can even see it. Like even if there is a
Mm.
slight small thing that happens, right? And I am
Mm.
already in the course correction mode. This will lead to this. So don't wait till that is going to happen, because that's going to be a bigger mess to solve. And when I used to say and raise those problems before, right? But I'm telling you, after 14 to 20 months after they heard the conversations, and when everyone on the table except me were having the problems that I had anticipated already, they were all looking at me and said, she does everything right. She has everything documented. She knows how to have these conversations. She knows how to nip the emotions in the bud. She knows how to, course correct, and she gets the job done. So when you said, right, does the employee save a lot of money, or does she get the job done right?
Mm.
As a cost center, like because we are customer service, basically, we
Right.
don't generate a lot
Right.
of profit, but I do get the things done, which is what the company sees in me, I think. And whenever there is any change happening, change management happening, or any what do you call that? Restructuring happening, a lot of responsibilities and documentation falls on me, because they know she'll get it done for a reason, and they know that they can see that. When you said that statement, right, it was like I could see that. And
Mm.
this was said by the head of HR as well, that she does a lot of things that we are not even seeing. And I don't know how that comes, where that comes from, because I've not had a lot of leadership experience, like I said, right? The whole reason that I came to you was I thought I lack leadership skills. I don't know how to handle certain things. But now, after having that validation from them and fellow leaders, where leaders who have been in the organization and leading larger teams have come to me and asked me, there's like, what is your go-to approach for this? Like, how would you say? I said, just be yourself, be authentic. Tell them as it is. Tell them what you feel in that situation. This is what it is. Then they will open up to you. You be yourself, then they will be them. Give them that emotional space. Make sure that you're safeguarding their emotions first. Only then they will open up to you. And that has worked wonders for me. But yeah, I have used your coaching a lot. I don't have any issues with my people, even if there are situations where there are tough conversations. We had to let one person go from the team. That person was trying to create a havoc. I was able to take charge.
Mm.
I was able to anticipate the issues.